Whoa. Heading back out on the island for round 2 of hiking.
I don't think you're allowed to go pee.
Oh, they are very excited about this. I thought you were saying like it needs to be wet in order to get in. I was like, I can get them wet.
Here, catch.
Ah! Oh, I caught it. That's crazy. Oh, the baby.
The baby.
Like,
Why'd you leave him? You come here. No.
Whoa, whoa! When the boats are rocking.
Okay, everybody, hang on. The babe's coming in.
Oh Jesus!
Hey, baby.
We have 2.
You good? You got her.
Yeah, unless you want her, but I got her. Hope my balance is good. Yeah, as long as you do that, I think I'll be fine. There we go. Dun, 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 on a deserted island.
You're gonna push me on.
What are you doing back there, Mr. Joe?
Fucking nuts.
Land
You have to
ho!
hold the boat up a little bit so Kate can get out with wet, dry feet.
Oh, stinky seaweed. You love stinky seaweed.
Careful, it's slippery though.
Day 2 on the trail. Do 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 do. This is a cool beach. This is way cool. Where am I going? Which side?
Probably into the boat.
Thank you.
Push off on the way out.
Taking another leak. Moving boat edition. Making our way slowly between a few islands today. We're gonna hang out on a different beach, and I am definitely jumping in the water because you can't be on a boat and not jump in the water, especially during summertime. We're going on a hike on an island. Is this the trail you just found, or is it like actually made for hiking?
This is kind of an informal one, getting us in, but then there's
You got to worry about lice and ticks over here.
we haven't had much problem.
Ow! Oh! A tree stabbed me right in the leg.
Stabbed you, yeah. He reached out. It's a lot easy to get through here. But, oh my God.
Yeah, look at this craziness.
They might have done it to prevent him from falling down and ripping up the soil.
We are really in the thick of it over here. Mr. Joe watering the plants.
Right.
Oh, this looks like a trail. That's a good sign. this is it. Woo! It's nice. We've seen it all. Back to the sailboat. Oh boy, it's live.
Oh boy, it's live. Oh no. Ready?
Ooh, it's cold. It is cold.
Mm-hmm.
Woo. All right, I'm doing it.
Go a little bit forward.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Was I supposed to count to 1? You said 3. We got to get the other GoPro. Kate.
Yes, Dom!
You got to shoot it from the inside.
What if I whip out?
You're not wimping out, but your brothers are going to see this.
Oh dear.
No.
Is it recording now, are you?
Oh, I've been recording the whole time.
Do this?
Yeah.
What if I don't want to?
You have to. You're up there. Oh! You got an audience.
Yeah.
The internet's. Ah! Out of here. The only thing I wish is the sun's out. That's the only complaint. I know.
Burr.
That was nice.